Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Intercom for customer engagement, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Intercom account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, look for the Messages section. Click on Messages to view your messaging options. Select Inbox to configure your inbox settings. Here, you can choose how incoming messages are handled. Set your priorities for message replies based on urgency. Next, go to the Operator section to automate initial responses. Create a welcome message that greets new visitors. Make sure to personalize this message to enhance engagement. Now, proceed to the Product Tours feature. Click on Create New Tour to guide users through your platform. Add step-by-step instructions to each part of the tour. Customize the visuals and text to align with your brand. Once the tour is complete, set it to go live. Now, let's configure your knowledge base. Go to the Help Center section in the settings. Add helpful articles and FAQs related to your services. Ensure the articles are easily searchable. Next, integrate your Intercom account with your website. Follow the provided steps to embed the Intercom widget. Ensure it is visible on all relevant pages. Navigate to your website and initiate a test chat. Make any necessary adjustments based on your testing. Now, review your notification settings for better responsiveness. Set preferences for alerts on incoming messages. Train your team on how to use Intercom effectively. Schedule regular reviews of your engagement metrics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.